Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. And if you're a new viewer, check out these videos. And if you're interested in learning, you can hit the subscribe button. And as part of our learning of price actions, observations, and learning, we are going to do a video for tomorrow, stocks to be observed. Remember, these are only for learning purposes only. So that's the reason I'm giving this. You can keep in your watch list and observe if you're a beginner or intermediate. If you're confident to trade on your own, definitely you can do it. But I only share for learning purpose only my thoughts. So anyways, I have two stocks. Hindalco is already there in my previous video. I continue to catch Hindalco, and along with that we have Jindal Steel in the list. Jindal Steel is going to have a news, the earnings release, I think on May 12th or something. You can check on the fundamental tab. So on 10th and 11th there will be a volatility happening in the stocks also. So up and down is common. So remember, up and down is common. A lot of people don't understand what is up and down. They just see overall, okay, Hindalco just went up. It's not just seeing whether it went up or not. It's about looking at lower time frame at each levels where you could have scalped. So at each levels where you should scalp, and are you holding a CNC, or if you kept a MIS order, is your stop loss hit. So that's the reason I say keep CNC as your observation, because the up and down movements are going to be common in terms of intraday, and understanding levels will help you to exit or average out. Okay, so keep that in mind. So this was the previous levels which I drew. Anyways, I will draw lines for these two. Even Jindal had a great movement previously yesterday, that is the previous trading date. So two consecutive candles. Profit booking can take place, but anyways I'll draw levels so that either you can scalp upside or downside. If market supports in green side, definitely you can take advantage, or if profit booking is happening in the morning, try to take advantage on that. But anyways, I'll draw levels, try to see the levels and try to see 0.3 within those levels. If it is coming closer to the levels, then be careful. So keep these things of learning things in mind. So I have drawn the levels for Hindalco as of now. So if you see Hindalco closed around in the chart, it is showing around 401.10. You know that as soon as it opens on Monday, it can either have a gap up or it can have a gap down based on the market situation, right? So if market situation is doing gap up, then it may open somewhere at, let's say, 403, 406, anywhere. Or if it is opening gap down, or if it's opening down or trading down with 394. So these are the levels which I have drawn for you. So if it is opening about, the below lines becomes a support and upside lines becomes your resistance, the basics. So wherever it opens, you need to act according to situations. So tomorrow, wherever the stock opens, and for a few minutes, when I say few minutes, you can put a 1 minute chart and check where the candles are trading. Is it staying within these levels, or these two levels, these levels? So if it is trading within these levels for some time, and if the market is green, stock is overall green color, then you have the tendency to go up to the next resistance level. So measure whether you have 0.3% free movement or not, or it is not, 0.3% is not there or not. So because 1 rupee is 0.3, so let's say it's trading around 397, 398.5 should be a target, whereas 400 is the limit. So you can mark these values. I will just show you. This is 409.5 I have kept, and 404 levels, and 400 levels, 395.8 levels, and 389.80 levels I have marked as of now. So based on these levels, like I told you, you can shift it to 1 minute chart, and where it opens, where it closes. Now for example, it is trading here for quite some time. For example, it's trading like this. It has a tendency to go close to, I'm not saying it will touch this point because I drew this line. It is around this line. It can come here and reverse also. So when you take an entry, measure whether 0.3% is there or not. Let's say in this case 1 rupee 20 paisa for 4 rupee stock. So 1 rupee 20 paisa, okay, I'm done here. So I have enough space to take entry. Market is green. Now I'll go towards green. Same way, if market was negative, it is stock is negative color, and the stock is trading here, then I will try to take the advantage to the lower side. So it has a tendency to go towards the support. Either it can reverse or break also, but I'll try to observe my 0.3% within this limit. So slowly you will try to get an idea what I'm saying. I know few of them it will be a little bit difficult. Few of them may not understand exactly what I'm saying. Intermediates will be understanding what I'm saying you. For beginners it will be difficult, but anyways you can put in your list and observe. Basically you're taking advantage of the movement of the stocks. Jindal, I have drawn again the levels. You can just have a look. I'll put it on 1 day chart so that you can record these levels for your learning for tomorrow. So these are the levels. It has closed around 479. So I have taken the support around this 478, 473, and resistance I have taken on the previous resistance point where it reversed. That is 484, 489, 494, and 500. So if it is opening gap up and staying in certain line, and if market is overall supporting moreover the upside and the stock is in green, then I will take advantage till the resistance breakout. Sometimes, you know, after breakout, if it's staying in the next resistance, then again I go with the next one. Try to observe this within 12 o'clock, because, you know, after 12 o'clock, the whole the thing can shift. If uptrend can shift to downtrend, or downtrend can shift to uptrend. So that you would have observed already in my teaching. So when I say 12 o'clock also, it's a zone. It can change around 11:30 also, maybe at 12:30, 1 o'clock also. Every day is not the same. So if you observe, you will get an idea. So again, Jindal Steel, you are going to put on 1 minute chart, and you will try to observe like I've drawn here, and try to take advantage of levels. So with the help of these price actions, we will try to scalp. So these are the 2 trending stocks for tomorrow, which you can observe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.